Hello, dear students. Now we are doing Evans tries an O level, and according to the revised syllabus, with this the vistas also will be concluded. So, after Evans tries an O level, whatever is there, that has been deleted. That has been deleted from the syllabus this year. So, Evans tries an O level. This is the story of a kleptomaniac. Now, this is how one of the officers thinks, governor rather, the governor of the jail, Oxford prison, thinks about Evans. That he is a congenital kleptomaniac. Congenital kleptomaniac means a kleptomaniac by birth. Now, kleptomania is a sort of disease in which a person has a compulsion for stealing something. It is not because he wants to steal it for the sake of the monetary gain that he would get or she would get from that, or it is because of a disease. So, a person who is suffering from a disease, psychological disease, is a person who needs sympathy rather than hatred or punishment. He needs sympathy or she needs sympathy and treatment. So, Evans has been put by the governor in that light. However, he had been arrested thrice before this, means this was the fourth time that he was, when he was trying an O-level German. So before that, 3 times he had broken out of the jail, and that's why perhaps he had been kept now in the Oxford prison. And the governor of the Oxford prison was quite sincerely thinking that he should not escape that time, a fourth time. For this he was quite, keen upon this. And he also thought that he was perhaps, Evans was perhaps really willing to learn an O-level German and begin a new life, having got some sort of qualification. But actually, Evans had planned to escape only. He was not much interested in studies. And when the German teacher bade him good luck, and yet commented that there wasn't any chance, however, for his passing through, the exam. At this, ironically, Evans tells that he would surprise everybody. Later on, we find that he was hinting towards his plan of escape. And he was telling this because he understood that he would escape from the jail a fourth time also, and thus people would remain surprised when he escapes. Now, what happens that the governor talks to the secretary of the board of exams of whether he could be allowed to appear at the exam. So this kind of thing, this request was an unusual request, but since it had come from the side of a very high level officer, the governor of the Oxford prison, And since it was having a humanitarian angle of this, I mean the secretary of the board of exams agreed to uh, allow Evans to appear. First, he asked whether he was any good enough, means whether he was capable to clear the exam, whether he was capable to pass, uh, means was it of any use for him to appear at the exam. Then the governor said that since he was the only boy, person taking the lessons in German, it was like a private tuition because the teacher came and taught only one boy, one student, for such a long time, means for several months, and that's why the governor thought that might be he passes the exam. Of after that, the secretary talks about the invigilation, that there should be a separate room where he should take the exam peacefully and he should not be disturbed much. The governor agrees to it and says that that Evans had a cell of his own, and there the exam could be conducted. And they agree upon the thing that a parson will come. Parson is an officer at church, and these people also preach, and sometimes they also work as teachers, and usually don't take any salary as teachers, or might be taking, but their main purpose is to lead life charitably. So he said that they agreed upon this, and then the exam took place. The rest in the next one.